students, this is chapter 3, factorization of polynomials, and we will start the new topic, cube of a binomial. So here x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. This is the formula of cube of a binomial, and you can write it like this: x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3y square x plus y whole cube. And so this is main formula, and you can convert it in this form also. And second is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. Now you can write, first you show like this: x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus plus 3xy square. So these are main, and when you multiply this 3xy in the bracket, so you get another form of these formulas. So students, you have to learn these formula, and we will do exercise with the help of these formula. For learning purpose, you are saying that this is the plus sign and all the terms are linked with positive signs, and here this is same. For minus, all the terms are linked with minus sign. So this is the important thing, and just for learning purpose you remember these 2 points. Now let's do the exercise 3rd E based on cube of binomials. So first question, expand 3x plus 2 whole cube. This question is given in the form of x, and we have learned the formula in the terms of x, so we will change that terms. In place of x will be a and b. So a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2. This, substitute this value in the formula. So here 3x plus 2 whole cube is equal to a cube means 3x whole cube plus b cube means 2 cube plus 3a means 3x, b means 2, and a plus b means 3x plus 2. Now solving, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 x cube plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 x and 3x plus 2. Now you multiply 18x in the bracket, so you will get 18 3s are 54 x square plus 18 to the 36 x. Answer. Now second part is 3a plus 1 upon 4 b whole cube. Here the terms are given in a and b, so we will use the formula. In place of a and b will be x and y. So x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. And see, here we are using a plus b in the formula. Now suppose x is equal to 3a and y is equal to 1 upon 4b. Now x plus y whole cube means 3a plus 1 upon 4b whole cube is equal to, now x cube means 3a cube plus y cube means 1 upon 4b cube plus 3x means 3a, y means 1 upon 4b, 3xy, x plus y, 3a plus 1 upon 4b, 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 a cube plus 4 4s are 16 4s are 64. So you can write it 1 upon 64 b cube plus 3 3s are 9 upon 4 a upon b and 3a plus 1 upon 4b. Now 27 a cube plus 1 upon 64 b cube plus multiply these in the bracket, 9 3s are 27 upon 4 a square upon b, and here 9 plus 9 upon 4 4s are 16 a upon b into b square. Answer. This is the third part of question number 1. 1 plus 2 upon 3a whole cube. Here because it is given in a, so we are taking the formula in x and y. X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. We will use this formula in place of x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y, because both are the same thing. So you should know how to use both the formula. So putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 upon 3a. Now solve by putting the values. So 1 plus 2 upon 3a whole cube is equal to, substitute the value and get the answer. When you putting the values, you will get this step, and you can cut 3 from here, or in next step you can cut. Here this is square, so 1 3 you can cancel in numerator and denominator. But if you not solve, then you can do one more step. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So your answer will be 1 plus 8 upon 27 a cube plus 2a plus 4 2s are 8 upon 3a square. Here 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9, so this is 4 upon 3. See, 4 upon 3 a square. This is the expanded form of this cube of binomial. Now question number 2, expand first part 5a minus 3b whole cube. This is x minus 5 whole cube in the form of, so you can write it x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So substitute the value, let x is equal to 5a, and y is equal to 3b. So here 5a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 5a cube x cube minus y cube means 3b cube minus 3xy, 5a into 3b and x minus y, 5a minus 3b. This becomes 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. A cube minus 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, b cube minus multiply 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45, ab 45 ab and 5a minus 3b. This you will multiply in the bracket. 125 a cube minus 27 b cube minus 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 21 22. A square b minus minus plus 45 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 1 13. A b square. Answer. Three x minus 5 upon x whole cube. So here x in the expression, so you can take the formula in the form of a and b. So a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. All terms are linked with minus sign. So here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 5 upon x. So write down 3x minus 5 upon x whole cube is equal to 3x whole cube minus b means 5 upon x, 5 upon x whole cube minus 3, a means 3x, b means 5 upon x and a minus b, 3x minus 5 upon x. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, x cube minus 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, x cube. Now here 5 3s are 15, 3s are 45 minus 45 and x cancel. Here 3x minus 5 upon x. Now you will get 27 x cube minus 125 upon x cube minus 45 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 1 13. 135 x minus minus plus and 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 2 22 upon x. Next question. Third part, 4 upon 5a minus 2 whole cube. So we will use the identity x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. X is 4 upon 5a and y is 2. So substitute the value. 4 upon 5a minus 2 whole cube is equal to 4 upon 5 a cube whole cube minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into 4 upon 5 a into y means 2 and x minus y 4 upon 5 a minus 2. Now solve it and get the answer. Now this is the answer. Students, you can substitute here by taking the formula x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square direct. So both the formula you can use any one of them. This expression seems of any identity, so why shouldn't try to convert it in the form of x plus y whole cube. So try it. So you can write down, this is 2a whole cube plus 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So you can write it 3b whole cube. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, 3 into 2a and b means 3b, 3ab, a plus b means 2a plus 3b. Now see what happens. So it is 2a cube plus 3b cube and see these terms, 3 is 9, 2 is 18 ab, 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18 ab and 2a plus 3b. So open this and see what happens. 2a cube plus 3b cube plus here write down 2a cube plus 3b whole cube plus multiply it, 18 2 is 36 a square b plus 18 3 is 54 b square a. So this expression is given the identity of 2a plus 3b whole cube. You can write it directly 2a plus 3b whole cube. So we have to factorize. So write down 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b. These are the factors of this expression. Question number 4. Factorize 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108a square. So we will try to make it convert in the form of identity. So here you can write 64, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, 4a whole cube minus this becomes 3b whole cube and this is minus. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a means 4a, b means 3b minus 3ab, a minus b, a where you are taking 4a minus 3b, the identity of a cube, a minus b, or you can say here because a and b are taking, so we will take x and y identity, the identity of x and y. X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y, where x is 4a and y is 3b. So we are writing this expression in this form and tally both the expression are same. If it is same, that you can write in the form of identity 4a minus 3b whole cube. So check it, 4a cube minus 3b cube and minus 3 3s are 9, 4s are 36 AB and 4A minus 3B. 4A whole cube minus 3B whole cube. Now multiply and open this bracket. 4 6 are and sign minus 24, 4 3s are 12, 13 14, 144 A square B minus minus plus 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 A B square. So it is the identity of 4A minus 3B whole cube. Now you can factorize it. 4A minus 3B, 4A minus 3B, 4A minus 3B, because this is cube, so write down in the product form, and these are the factors. Now question number 5th, factorize 1 plus 27 upon 125 A cube plus 9 upon 5A plus 27 upon 25 A square. All the terms are plus, so why shouldn't try it to convert in the form of x plus y whole cube. Let's try. Here x 1 cube plus, this is 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, so 3 and 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, 3 upon 5 A whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3 AB, 1 into B means 3 upon 5 A and A plus B, 1 plus 3 upon 5 A. So let's see what we will get. 1 plus 1 cube plus 3 upon 5 A whole cube plus 3 3s are 9 upon 5, 9 upon 5 A and 1 plus 3 upon 5 A. Now see, 1 plus 3 upon 5 A whole cube plus, open this, 9 upon 5 A plus 9 3s are 27 upon 5 5s are 25 A. So it becomes the identity of 1 plus 3 upon 5 A whole cube, 1 plus 3 upon 5 A whole cube. Tally this expression are same as given in the question. So it means this is the identity of 1 plus 3 upon 5 whole cube, and when you factorize it, so you can write it 1 plus 3 upon 5A into 1 plus 3 upon 5A into 1 plus 3 upon 5A and get the answer. This is the question number 6 and solution, and we are taking the same method as we done in the previous questions. Now second method, you know the identity of x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3 xy x minus y. This identity we are converting and using in the questions. Now x cube minus y cube minus 3 x square y plus 3 xy square. So we will solve this question by taking this identity also. So you can use both the identity and solve by any method. So here the question is 125 x cube means 5x whole cube minus 3y whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3x square means 5x square. Y means 3y. This is the identity and this is our question, where x you can write here a and b. Here 5x square into 3y plus 3xy square means 5x into 3y square. Now see what you will get. 5x whole cube minus 3y whole cube minus 5 5s are 25 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 into 25, 225 x square y plus, here 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 3s are 135, 135 y. It means the given expression is, you can convert in the identity of 5x minus 3y whole cube, which you can factorize 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y. So any one of the formula you can involve in the question and solve it. Both are the same answer. A cube x cube minus 3a square b x square plus 3a b square x minus b cube. Here the cube terms are these two. So putting together these two terms, a cube x cube minus b cube minus 3a square b x square plus 3a b square x. Here you can write it ax whole cube minus b cube. So it is of the form a cube minus b cube, and see what the expression we can get. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab means ax into b and a plus b. A means ax plus b means, no, here sign will be minus because it is the negative term. It means for the a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So a minus b terms are linked with negative sign. Now open this ax whole cube minus b cube as it is, and you open this part. So see, these are same as the given expression. So here minus 3a into a square b x square, a into a square, b only single, and x into x square, minus minus plus, here 3a and b square x. Now tally, these expressions are same. Yes, minus 3a square b x square, 3a b square x. It means it is, you can convert this expression in the form of identity, ax minus b whole cube, and factorize it, ax minus b, ax minus b, ax minus b. Answer. Question number 9. A cube minus 12a, a minus 4 minus 64. These two terms taking together and write it. A cube minus 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 minus 12a and a minus 4. So a cube minus 4 cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. 3a means here a, b means 4, a minus b, a means a and b means 4. So a cube minus 4 cube minus 3 4s are 12, a minus 4. It means this expression is the identity of a minus 4 whole cube, and factorize it a minus 4, a minus 4, a minus 4. So our motive is to given expression is to convert in the form of identity and then we factorize it. Evaluate. Question number 10. 103 whole cube. So we will solve it with the help of identity by breaking the numbers. The number you can write 100 plus 3 whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, 3 into 100 into b means 3, and a plus b, 100 plus 3. Now you can get 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 cube. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 plus 3 3s are 9, so 900, and this becomes 100 plus 3, 103. Now solve it and get the answer. This is part 1 and this is second. 99 whole cube. You can write it 100 minus 1 whole cube. Here 100 plus, you can say x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube. So x cube, 100 cube minus 1 cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab means 100 into 1, a plus b, 100 not plus, minus 1. So don't miss the sign which will be wrong. So learn the formula strictly. Here 100 cube, now correct. You can write it 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 minus 1 minus 399. Now solve it. This is the answer. So students, this exercise, which is third E, is completed from R.S. Agarwal, and students, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Students, in question number 5, please correct this term. Here 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25, a into a is square, so make it a square, which I forgot to write, so make it correct.